That's not working.
Are you sure it's him? Because I thought the wheel would be more wheelery.
He's just pretending so we don't know it's him. That's more like it. Uh-oh.
That happens sometimes. I think you're about to fall.
Help! Mum? That's
Amazing!
awesome.
So cool!
Whoa! I've got to get one of those. Mum, can't believe it.
Pity you never thought to try the saddlebag on me, huh?
I just never. You're my mum.
And she's a whole lot more as well.
Do I ever know that now?
I thought Maxwell had my saddlebag in safekeeping. How about we give it back to him?
Huh? I guess we'll never know.
You're almost done. You just need to go to... Uh-oh. It's all the way across town.
I don't think the roads are going to work this time.
Off-road? It's the quickest way. You're a scrambler bike, Blip. You can do this in your sleep. Remember what your dad said. Let your wheels take the bumps and the pizzas balance themselves.
Ready now. Good pizzas, nice pizzas. There's no reason to fall.
I got 'em. Wait, no. The more you do it, the better you get. It's all you, Blip.
I'm doing it. Do you see me, Ricky? I'm doing it.
Yeah.
About time you guys showed up. Guess who just broke the record?
Zoom-tastic!
What do you think?
You really did it, Blip. A new pizza delivery record.
Oh, I knew you could. Like father, like son.
Well, I did have a little help from the bike buddies.
Couldn't they have got a better picture?
Oh, that's just my picture face.
Can you move these barricades?
With these tyres, I can move anything!
Now, if I can just keep going straight... Luke's got you covered! I got it! Yes!
I think I've skidded far enough. How about we get me to stop? How do we do that?
Let's find out how awesome those new tyres are. Bike buddies, wheel it in! Perfect! Now everybody brake! That's it! Slower! Slower! Phew. Thanks, guys. I don't know what I would have done without you. What are bike buddies for?
Ricky! There you are. I thought I'd lost you.
I'm ready for my appointment now.
One new set of tyres to be installed extra carefully.
Ricky! You can do it!
Make room for Ricky Zoo! I don't even know what I was scared of.
I'm too scared! I can't!
We're right here to help you, Toot!
And we might get pizza! What? The pizza place is right there!
I can't do it!
Yes, you can, Toot. With this remote. I mean, with your big brother to help you, you can do anything.
Spin your wheel!
Okay, here goes.
Come on, down a bit! Yes!
Look out!
What?
Toot!
Huh?
Don't tumble on those toppings. Are you all right?
I think so!
Come on, you can do it.
Huh?
Yes.
Whoa! Ah, that's it. Keep going.
Slowly does it, Toot.
Go on,
Toot!
Well
Keep
done,
jumping, girl. You did it, Toot.
Thanks, Ricky. I shouldn't have tricked you.
Wait, so the remote controller didn't work? Toot just wanted to play with us, and I should have let you. You're pretty cool after all.
Pretty cool! Did you see how she moved? Yeah, that was some extreme coolness. It would have been even cooler if you actually got the pizza. This is cool. You can play with us anytime, Toot.
Toot, eat pizza.
Eating pizza.
Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
Okay then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out, there's a pothole. Mum, Dad.
They're gone. You can do it, Ricky.
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me. Film Ricky.
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Oh, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say.
Wheelford is great for so many reasons. But what makes it special are the people in it. Friends.
And family.
Wait, there's still some special effects! 2 more.
Time to zoom for real.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Hang on.
Hurry up, Ricky.
I've got you, Toot. Here we go.
Awesome! Incredible! Steel Awesome did it!
Go on, Ricky!
Yeah!
Ricky, your performance was as brave as Steel Awesome's best rescue scenes. And really funny, too.
Way to go, Ricky! That was... How does that keep happening?
Thanks, everyone. We did it! Next time you're in trouble, just call for Squeak Awesome! That was so fun!
Best Steel Fest ever! Ricky, can you teach me to wobble like that? How is this?
Sorry, Toot. Is the wobbling making it hard to ride?
No! It's fun! Do you really have to get it fixed?
I can keep it until tomorrow.
Good! Bubble blow until then!
I've got you. This should be enough to slow you down, Ricky. Are you ready?
Ready! Thanks, Dad! Officer Bunker! Watch out! Waterfall!
Officer! Oh, I'm glad I caught you. Don't try to stop. Your brakes aren't fixed yet.
Thank you, Maxwell. But we are Code Zero. Situation under control. Thanks to a fine rescue by Hank Zoom. Well, I had a little help.
Mr. Zoom, can you teach me how to do those high-speed U-turns?
How did you carry the big weight like that?
Tablet, say, that was amazing!
That was amazing.
It worked!
You got to be a little more like Steel Awesome after all.
Actually, I think I'm going to change my project. I thought of an even better role model.
Steel Awesome is a superhero, and he's great, but I decided that my role model is a real hero. My dad is fast and strong, and I can always count on him. He's always ready to help people. All I have to do to be more like him is try to help people whenever they need it. I'm going to do that every day. Wait, so you're not doing Steel Awesome? Won't be needing this. Zoom-tastic! Oh no, they're still moving too much.
Rescue bike, I think they're having the net for dessert.
Huh?
No way! The bike buddies always make their rescue. Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Ricky to the rescue!
Wow, nice work, Ricky.
Yes, you really saved the day.
It wasn't just me. It was all of us. We're a team.
Okay, there. They're off automatic. They should listen to me now.
Hooray!
So, can we try to earn our rescue badges again? As a team?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ricky. No. Because you already earned them. All of you.
Now, who wants their badges? It's all about the teamwork.
Yeah! Rescue badge! Blip! Stop!
Yeah? That's it! That's the ending I was looking for! I have to try it right now. You guys want to watch?
Yes. Wow. Still awesome! Can you believe it, Lou? He got that from you! I made Steel awesome even more awesome!
That was some serious air.
Awesome! So looped! Best thing I ever saw!
And thanks for getting him here.
Oh.
You know, a bike is nothing without a crew. And it looks like you're a pretty great one.
Official Steel awesome crew badges!
See you around.
Best day ever! Getting a flat tire was the best thing that ever happened to me. But I should probably get it fixed, right? Yes, definitely, Luke. Bike buddies, go! DJ, bike boost!
Ricky, you gotta show me how you do that. It's awesome.
I'm pretty sure only Ricky can do that one.
Let's hear it for my cousin! You're pretty fast. So are you. Go, Ricky! Go, Dasher!
Go, Ricky!
You're even faster than I thought. Come on, bike buddies. Don't you know there's a race going on? Backwards bump and run! Backwards bump to run! You can't do that! Ricky! Hello. Oh.
There's Ricky!
And the bike sphere?
It had to get rolled here sooner or later, right? I guess I took care of that for you.
Well, that's great, Ricky, but we're not ready yet. We still need you and DJ to finish the job.
What is the job?
Oh, I tell you, flatten that huge pile of sand all around the lot with this big, heavy roller here. Woohoo!
It's a big job. It might take you all day.
We have a better idea. Sorry I didn't help earlier, DJ, but we're doing a Zoom-tastic job now.
Smart kids. I wish I'd thought of that.
All right, the lot is ready. Put it in place.
Let's finish the job.
There! That's a good day's work, DJ. why don't you take a turn?
I think this is a 2-bike turn. Varoo! Yippee! Wheel it in! Yeah! Hey! What's this button do? Don't touch. No, Luke. No way. But there are lots of new buttons. No. I can't get a picture from Zoom Cam. It's too dark.
I'll use my zoom visor and sound detector.
Yes, I can fix this. That should do it.
DJ's almost fixed the door motor.
Now I'll pull this lever and open the door. Oh, yes!
Officer Bunker! We're saving you. Don't listen to Muffler Crunk. Whatever he told you to do, don't do it.
Muffler Crunk?
I heard him talking to you inside the garage. It's him! Hold on to your minds! Hello. Huh? Blip?
No Muffler Crunk here, Ricky. Just a mix-up. Right, Blip?
Thanks for getting me out there, Officer Bunker. I thought I'd be stuck in there all day.
But what were you doing there in the first place?
Wrong address for this pizza delivery.
Code 0. Hey, okay.
Silly crooked sign. If only it was straight, I'd never have been in this mess.
Line up. Congratulations, deputies. I am impressed. You followed all the rules.
Yeah!
And in honor of your bravery, you've all earned these junior deputy badges.
Hold on, Ricky. Toot, did you see? Isn't it perfect? It's going to be the best kite in your class.
I guess.
Don't worry, it's not too broken. We can fix it up. All right, guys?
Yeah! Don't bother.
What's wrong? You don't want the kite anymore?
I never wanted that kite. I wanted my kite.
But this one is better.
It's not even a kite. You didn't listen to one thing I said. It's not even my favourite colour. Nothing says toots like pink.
Ah! Hey, bike buddies! We've got a kite to fix.
Yeah, we know.
No, not that kite. Toot's kite. You said you wanted pink. What else?
And it has a tail, and it flies really well. I designed it myself. But my big brother helped to build it, and his friends. I will now demonstrate how it works. Stand back, please.
Way better than Steel Awesomes.
I don't need Steel Awesome. I already have a hero. My big brother.
Here it is, Dad. Just like you asked for.
What's going on, Loop? I said, don't open the box, bring it straight to me, and don't stop for fun.
I know, and I really tried. He didn't just try, Mr. Hoopla. He did all those things.
The box fell and opened by accident.
Loop only jumped onto it so he could bring it straight to you. He didn't have any fun at all.
Well, maybe a little fun.
Oh, I guess it really wasn't what I thought. Good job, son.
Really?
Yeah, I'm proud of you. It sounds like you stuck to the job until it was finished.
I did. I really did.
And the package is still in one piece. so I can still deliver it to its rightful owner.
Bye, room board.
There we go. Delivered! It was supposed to be for your birthday next week, but since it's already open...
No way!
Now you can fly it the right way.
You all might want to stand back. I'm about to loop this thing. That wasn't looping it. I haven't looped it yet.
Okay, give me the remote. Let the expert drive.
Looks like Maxwell's back tyre is stuck. Loop, can you get on the roof? Easy. Loopy boosters, go! DJ, can you help to build a ramp?
Rev on!
Time to get you down, Maxwell.
Thanks.
Grappling hook, go! Loop, push Maxwell forward. Scootio, DJ, we need help.
We've got it! Let's go!
Yes! Fantastic! We did it!
Is it over? Did you rescue me?
I think you can get down this way, Maxwell. Ricky to toot. We've got him. Over.
Roger that! Vroom! Way to go, Ricky!
Couldn't have done it without you, little sis.
Hey, that's true! You couldn't! Wahoo! Vroom! Way to go, me!
Toot, you called us.
Is everything okay?
Toot Zoom reporting. All clear! Wahoo! Where's Ricky? I'm the one who figured it out. I'm smart that way.
Well, I've got the ramp. I guess I'm the one who has to use it to get him down.
Oh, without training, you'll just bounce all over the place.
Boy, did we find that out the hard way?
I know, but I think I've got an idea.
I can't watch. I can't not watch. I'll do both.
Ricky, are you sure about this?
Give him a chance, Hank. Are you ready, Ricky?
Ready, Mum?
It's not high enough.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Push it higher! Oh no! Slow-mo!
That's it, Ricky.
Hey! Yes! You can come down now, Dad!
Hank Zoom, ready to rescue. Let's get you and Sergeant Teddy down, Buster.
And here's your ball.
Hey?
Scootio and DJ should have your ball really soon.
That's my boy. A chip off the old bike.
He's going to make a great rescue bike someday.
Sorry about your rescue ramp, Ricky. I don't think they're made for big bikes like me.
That's okay. You can help me eat 500 more boxes of cereal. I hope you're hungry.